Hello everyone. So good evening. So this is a last of this live streaming from these videos here. So before my hiring my apply without my company by tourism here. And let's pray from this one by Tropical Depressions Wilma. So it means stationary. So my mother traveled here by mission by seminar by Ormoc Leyte. So let's pray from this one by safety my mother. I hope my mother will go home in this travel to back in Cebu here. So keep safe without the calamities here. I hope my mother will go home travel in this back in this Cebu here. So let's continue here. We're here from this one. It is analyzed in Super PogChamp 2025. So online chess today is round number 5. So how many clocks within 10 minutes plus 5 seconds increment without rapid chess here? And also have A from this one. It is USA is Boy by Gamers here. So it means without Boy. So Gamer by live streaming. So Boy loves the Gamers by this one the without without games here, etc. And versus by in this Canada is Andrea Botes, the Botes sister. So her sister by Alexandra Botes here. So I don't have waste the times here. So in this today's from this online chess here in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after round number 5. So white plays Boy is knight f3, knight f6 by Andrea, g3, g6, and also d3, bishop g7 without upcoming by castling with Andrea, and also bishop g2 by Boy without preparing castling here, and also decided Andrea castling kingside and also e4. So what is called? It is called by rating opening king's Indian attack symmetrical defense here without symmetrical. Continue e4 and also d6 by Andrea and also h3 without no more by bishop to g4 because these are the moves side by connected by pass pawn but not yet ready by castling by gamers by Boy here and also c5 by Andrea and castle kingside by Boy here and also knight c6 by Andrea here and also c3. So it means without move side here, so it means next by rook e1. Continuations here and also rook b8 by Andrea, knight bd2 and also b5. So strong move by Andrea. Next the move by this one by b4. Strong move by black pieces. Rook e1. So before by this one by e4 because these are the rook e1 here and also knight d7 by Andrea or next maneuver is knight to b6. So now without next move by this one by connected the knights, knight h2 and also push b4. So push b4. So talk about novelty. So it means so knight h2 is a does not belong to the book lines. So novelty. So it means so because b3 is a all main lines here by recording here. So without second move by knight h2. So novelty by Boy. So it means without out of these book lines here and also b4 plus strong move by Andrea or counters attacks the pawns here. Push c4. So for example, if you capture this pawn here, so what do you moves by counters captured? So these are the counters here by here. So it means back. So if you capture this one pawns, knight captured. So these are the highest strong evaluation bar here. So these are a good examples here. So back there, by semi-close by c4 by Voboy, so cannot capture the pawns here. And also decided knight e5 by Andrea, so very strong move by continuations. And also knight df1, and also good move knight d4 by Andrea. Very excellent move here. So very determinations by Andrea, so very good precise here. And also f4 by Voboy without pressure by attacks the knights. Knights e6, so very solid move by Andrea, so need more ignorance by knights here. And also decided h4 by Voboy, and also h5 without pressure, without no more stop here, so does not stop by h5 without white pieces. And also without g4, so it means, so these are the threats here, so counters attacks the pawns, so it means, so these are a bad move by this computer by Voboy. So the best moves there, the ones computer, this one is knight to e3. So knight e3 here is a best move by counters moves here. So very solutions, so these are the slightly advantage for whites here. So after pawn g4, so without guessing puzzle, so what do you think about excellent shot by Andrea Botes? So guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Bishop captured, sacrificed by Andrea. So very excellent move. So it means, so if you captured the knights here, if you capture the knight, so captured here, so it means, so knight here, knight to c2, so it means double the rooks, and here, so doubles. So without bishop capture g4, so sacrificed by Andrea, so good, excellent here. And also knight captured by Voboy takes, so these are the damage by ugliness pawn structure. Queen captured, knight c2, so double attacks by this one, so knight c2, so very perfect shot by Andrea, double, so without doubles both the rooks by Voboy. And decided bishop to e3 by Voboy, knight captured. So these are a one rook down by Voboy here. So these are the continuations. This one by this perfect rook captured knight. So these are the, so one rook down by Voboy here. So without five minor pieces here. So without five here, five minor pieces by blacks. And also queen c8 without queen to queen, and ignorance, queen g5 for example. So sir, why don't we queen takes queen to queen? So how do you control here? And also decided rook capture c8. So these are the highest evaluation bar. So these are the strong move by continuation. So these are the examples. So it means, so back there, ignorance, queen g5 by Voboy, and also king h7 by Andrea, and also f5 without counters attacks the pawns here, and also rook g8, and captured without check. So without captured, without this one the pawns, so it means without behinds the queen. So these are the pawns without, it is called by umbrella, without captured. So without check, capture the pawns. So these are the pawns without develops the pawns here or determinations. So these are the continuations. And also knight g3 by Voboy, and also knight e5 without determinations by controls. Or next by maneuver is this one by knight to f7. So without threats the queens. So without threats the queens here. So next by maneuver by knights by Andrea. And also knight f5 without counters attacks the bishops here, and also decided knight f7. So for example, so why don't we captured by knight sacrifice, and also queen to h5 check. So if you move by blocking by bishop to h6 here, so it means, and also queen captured, so mating net, so lose from black, so game over. So these are the examples. So need more focusing by concentration. So back there, this one knight f7 without good precise by Andrea, without threats the queens here, without threatening the queens, and Boboy moves by queen captured without e7, and also rook b7 without threats the queens, and also h5 sacrifice. So without sacrifice, captured. Wait, so it means, so if you rook captured here, so how do you control? So if you sacrifice here, knight captured, double. So without doubles the rooks here. So it means, so do not capture the rook captured by queens here. So let's continue captured by knights here. And also queen h4, knight h6 by Andrea, and rook f1 without threats the pawns here, and also defense rook f7 by Andrea, rook f3 by Boboy, and also queen d8 without queen to queen, ignorance by queens by Boboy, queen f8 without rooks here, or if you captured, so if you capture this one, so it means these are the openings, the rooks to rooks here. So it means, so queen f8 by Andrea, ignorance rook g3 by Boboy, and also f4 double. So double by bishop and rooks. So it means these are the counters attacks, the double attacks here. And also captured without sacrifice, rook captured, and also c5, e5, sorry. So it means, I'm sorry, I got wrong, my confused my brains. So e5 here without sacrifice here, captured without sacrifice, bishop e4 without check, and also king h8 by Andrea, properly active, and queen d7. So it means without idea, so it means, not yet by this one by continuations, or without pressure by this one. So without rooks, without threats the pressure by bishops here, and also rook f1. So it means, so these are the, wait, so without king h8 here by Andrea, so it means without next move by this one, rook f1. So these are the checks here. I'm sorry, got wrong. I'm sorry, forgot the analyze here. Without king h8, queen d7, rook f1 check here. Without strong move by Andrea, king h2, and also queen f2 check. So perfect shot by Andrea, rook g2, and queen h4 check, and queen h3 without queen to queen. So the second puzzle, so what do you think the shot by excellent by brilliant? So sacrifice move by this one by Andrea. So second guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Is sacrifice rook h1. Sacrifice brilliant by Andrea. So perfect shot by this one, the black pieces, and decided king captured, and also queen takes queen without checks here, and also rook h2, and the last move, the finishing move, is queen f1. mating net. So game over the whites here. So congratulations from this one by Black Pieces Andrea Botes. So the score Voboy 0. So 0 points. So it means Voboy is game over. So 0 points. And the score by Andrea Botes 2 points. So congratulations by Canada Andrea Botes. Congratulations. So before end of that, so it means so next week I will start my work, my job, my this company here. So in these weekdays I cannot work by live streaming in this chess here. So it means weekends, it's weekends only will analyze that chess here. So weekends here. So it means so weekdays, so I cannot the live streaming in chess. So I will start by travel agency, by this one by company here. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka I call Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this one by hand. So it means so I will analyze of this chess without weekends within Saturday and Sunday here. So have a good day and good night.